Hello children, today we will learn about finding factors. Now, what is a factor and how to find a factor? That is, you have to find the exact divisor of a particular number. That is, if you are asked to find the factors of 24, then you have to think that 24 is divisible by which numbers. It should be exactly divisible. Exact divisors you need to find. Fine. Now 24, as you know, or it's divisible by 1 and 24, because the number is always divisible by 1 and the number itself. If I ask find the factors of 16, or find the factors of 20, or find the factors of 56, then for 16, as you know, that it's always divisible by 1 and 16. 20 will be divisible by 1 and 20. 56 will be divisible by 1 and 56. That is 1 and the number itself. They are always the factors of a given number. So you can always start with 1. So let us write first of all that 24 is equal to 1 into 24. Now second one, as the number is even, you can divide 24 by 2 also exactly. So you can write it as 2 into 12. 2 12s are 24. Now 3 into which number is 24? 3 8s are 24. So write there 8 also. Now again you can think that it's divisible by 4 also. 4 into which number is 24? 4 6 are 24. So 6 are. Now in between 4 and 6 the number is 5. Is 24 divisible by 5? No. So 5 is not a factor of 24. Fine. So which are the factors of 24? You can write it in a sequence like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. What does it mean? You have the finite number of factors. Finite means the factors can be countable. They are not infinite. You can always count how many factors a particular number has. Okay. One more thing, that every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Now we will go with the another example. Say 56. I want to find out the factors of 56. So again I will start with 1 and 56. Factor cannot be greater than 56, and the number, as you know, it's always divisible by 1 and 56. So first step, I will start with 1 into 56. Second one, the number is even, so it's divisible by 2. 2 into which number is 56? 28. Now think whether the number is divisible by 3 or not. Now what is the divisibility test for 3? That is, sum of the number should be divisible by 3. Here 5 plus 6 is 11, and 11 is not exactly divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9, and here 2 remains. So 11 is not divisible by 3. So 56 is also not divisible by 3. So 3 is not the factor. Remember, as I said, the factor means you should have exact divisor. So 3 is not a factor. Now we need to check whether 4 is a factor of the given number or not. So 4, you can divide it and see whether it is a factor or not. 4 ones are 4 and 4 fours are 16. So yes, remainder is 0. So 4 is a factor of a given number. 4 into 14, right here 4 into 14 is 56. Now 5, you have to think whether the number is divisible by 5. Now as the unit digit is 6, it's not divisible by 5, because you know that a number is divisible by 5 when the unit's place or one's place is 0 or 5. So here it's not the case, so 5 is not the factor. Let's think of 6. So is 6 a factor? Then 6 is, as you know, when a number is divisible by 2 and 3, the number will be divisible by 6 also. So here the number is not divisible by 3, so you can say that it's 6 is also not the factor of a given number. Okay. Now after 4, 5 you have cancelled, 6 also, 5 no, 6 no, 7 8s are 56. So here you can write 7 into 8. Now as you have got here, you get here 7 8s are 56 and no in between number. So here you can stop thinking of the factors. So here factors of 56, you got it as 1 2 4 7 8 14 28 and 56. Okay, one more example we will see. Let us say factors of 49 you want to find. Factors of 49. Now 49, as we will start with 1 into 49. Okay, now the number is not divisible by 2 because it's not even. So 2 is not the factor. Let's think of 3. Sum of the numbers, that is 9 plus 4 is 13, and 13 is not divisible by 3. So 3 is not a factor. After 3 we will go for 4. 4, the number should be even, which is not the case here. So 4 is not a factor. For 5, the number should end with 0 or 5. Here it's not the case, so 5 is not the factor. 6, that means the number should be divisible by 2 and 3. Here it's not the case, so 6 is also not the factor. Let's think of 7. So 7s are 49. Yes, so here the factors, you got it as 1, 7 and 49. Remember that you don't have to write the factor for twice. Okay, one more example we will take. Say 40. You want to find out factors of 40. So 40 is equal to, you can start with 1 and 40. 1 and the number itself is always the factor of the given number. Okay, the number is even, so it's divisible by 2. 2 into 20. Yes, the number, you want to think whether 3 is a factor or not. So sum of the digits of a given number, that comes to 4, which is not divisible by 3. So 3 is not a factor. Then after 4, 4 10s are 40. Yes, 5 8s are 40. Then 6. So the number should be divisible by 2 and 3 both. So it's divisible by 2, but it's not divisible by 3. So it will not be divisible by 6. So 6 is not a factor. Then after 7, 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35 and 7 6s are 42. 40 doesn't come. So 7 is not the factor. So all the numbers in between we have tried it out. So here which are the factors? 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. you can make a rainbow also like this. Say 40, you want to find it out, factors of 40. So how will you start? 1 and 40, then after you have 2 and 20, then say you have 4 into 10, and then you have 5 into 8, so here using rainbow method you can always find out the factors of a given number. Let's try one more example using rainbow method. Say you want to find out factors of 36. So 36, I will start with 1 and 36. 1 into 36. Now second number 2 into 18. They are the factors again. Now is the number divisible by 3? Yes. 3 into 12. So 3 12s are. Is the number divisible by 4? Yes. 4 9s are 36. So here you can have 4 9s are. Is the number divisible by 5? No. The unit digit is 6, so the number is not divisible by 5. So 5 is not the factor. Is the number divisible by 6? Yes. So write here 6. No need to write 6 twice. So 6 you have written only once. So which are the factors of 36? So what we have learned, that 1 is a factor of every number. Every number is a factor of itself. Every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Every factor is less than or equal to the given number, and number of factors of a given number are finite, that is countable. You can always count how many factors a given number has. One more thing you have learnt, that is every number has minimum 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. If the number has only 2 factors, then the number is said to be a prime number. Otherwise, it is a composite number.